Here's a 2011 Nissan Titan. A tested and proven companion, Titan is the complete package, offering power, capability, efficiency, and refinement. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, AM/FM stereo radio, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. New Car Test Drive finds Titan boasts clever innovations that improve on the traditional pickup bed, such as the factory-applied spray-in bed liner and a C-channel tie-down system. Nissan, built for the human race. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.